Hi guys, do you want to control pests organically with the most powerful pesticide? Make insecticidal soap salt and get rid of annoying pests naturally. Welcome to Green Plant Guide.
What is the insecticidal soap salt?
Soap salt, known as soap spray, is an organic pesticide.
It is made of potassium salts of fatty acids.
According to the insecticidal soap recipe, potassium hydroxide is used to make potassium salt, which are considered safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. How to insecticidal soap spray work?
Soap spray acts by contact.
Pest treated usually dies very rapidly, within minutes of treatment. It damages their cell membranes,
Causing the contents of the cell to leak out.
leading to dehydration and death. Soap spray made a protective wax that covers certain insects like mealybugs.
This leads to death,
Also, it blocks the pore through which insect breathes,
leading to asphyxiation and death.
which insect can pest or which not. Normally, the pollinator insects like bees, butterflies, ladybugs, lacewings are not harmed by insecticidal soap, but soap spray control aphids, whiteflies, mealybugs, thrips, spider mites, and many other pests in garden. Also, is recommended for treating powdery mildew disease. Tip for ready product. Many gardeners like to use ready product. Please check their composition before purchase. The bottle may be labeled as suitable for organic use or safer for plant and vegetables, but if it's a true insecticidal soap, its bottle will list potassium salt of fatty acid as ingredient. Simple recipe for insecticidal soap. Powerful pesticide recipe for 1 liter of water. The active ingredient for insecticidal soap is the soap itself. Take 1 liter of water in a container. Don't use hard water. Distilled water is the best. Add 1 full teaspoon of mild liquid soap like hand wash liquid. Don't use the stronger ones like dishwash soap. Liquid soap contains potassium salt or fatty acid. Add 1 full teaspoon of vegetable oil like coconut oil to this. Now this will be your homemade insecticidal soap spray. More power to this, you need to add neem oil to it, like about 5 ml, especially for pests are resistant to any of the treatments. Mix and shaking it well for a few minutes, then spray on the affected area of your plant completely, because it's effective only when it's wet. In other words, it loses all its effect once it dries out. Also, liquid soap and the oil help to keep the solution from quickly running off the plant's leaf. When sprayed, the longer solution remains on the plant's foliage, the better chance of killing the pest. You can refrigerate it to a store, but always better to make fresh solution every week. Patch test. Perform a patch test before using it for the first time. Whenever you make or use a pesticide for the first time, always do a patch test before spraying on the entire plant. You never know how strong it is and may damage your plant. So first spray it on a leaf or branch and wait for 1 or 2 hours. If the leaves start wilting, then it's too strong to use. Dilute it, then use. How often should I spray? For treatment once weekly or max twice weekly. After heavy rain, you have to spray it again. Thanks for watching. Do it yourself and enjoy gardening.